Hey everyone, welcome to Miss Annie's Home and Kitchen. I am so delighted and excited to show you guys this recipe. I've never made it, but I saw it on Pinterest and I said I'm totally doing that. And I hope you guys have figured out that I am not a Martha Stewart. I am more like, I'm a working mama and well, I guess I'm an empty nester, right? Because my family, everyone has grown up. But I'm a working woman and I love simple and I love easy. And so I saw this awesome recipe. Let me see. It is a pecan cream pie. And I thought, I'm totally going to show this to you guys. Okay. So we're going to make it together. All right. So the first thing is it called for a pie crust cooked. So what I did, when you're going to do a cream pie, you cook the pie crust first, okay? So anyway, I got a Pillsbury pie crust. I baked it, and then I put it in my freezer to make the process quicker to get it to cool off, okay? So I'm just gonna set this right here, okay? So that's the first thing. And then we're gonna make the filling for the cream pie. So you need, let me tip this just a little bit. You just need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. And then we need 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And we're gonna mix this up until all it, the peaks form. And this can take a few minutes. Hold on. I am getting stuff on the front of me, and so I'm going to get my apron on. I do not have cream on my shirt. All right, now I'm ready. Okay, it's starting to thicken up. Now I'm going to turn it on high. Set this aside because the next thing that we do is we are going to add the cream cheese, and so we're going to get this in a bigger bowl. Do you guys love my bowls? I love these bowls. They are so awesome. They are on my favorites. If you go to MissAnniesHomeandKitchen.com and then you click on favorites, these bowls will be there. So it'll take you to the Amazon shop, and then you just look up the bowls, and they're great. So they come in 2, or sometimes you can get the 3rd size, okay? So it has this rubber on the bottom that keeps it really still, and you've got your handle here. I love them, love them. All right, so next you're going to do 2 bars of cream cheese softened. So there's 1 and 2. All right, and then you put the brown sugar in. So this is going to be 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Can't go wrong with that, right? Okay. And then we're going to mix this up really well. Always start out slow so you don't make a big old mess. me see, when do we add these pecans? Fold in the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture and stir together until combined. Okay, so now we're gonna take our whipped topping. I'm gonna put this in. I have a feeling this is going to be absolutely delicious. So then we're going to just fold this in. And once we get this folded in, then we're gonna add a cup of the pecans, and then we're gonna garnish the outside of the pie, the top of the pie. I think that looks pretty good. So now let me add these pecans. So I am using my sweet little Tanner's pecans. If you go to their website, Tanner's Pecans, or I think it's Tanner's. Oh goodness, I can't remember. Where do I go, my sweet friends? Just Google search Tanner's Pecans in Alabama. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. They are just amazing, amazing. And they have great things for Christmas and yummy pecan pie, like for Thanksgiving. It's good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna add these pecans. You can get them all ready in the tiny little pieces. So, all right, so we're adding a cup of those pecans in. And then we're gonna mix these in. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys all could be here. Then we would sit down and have some pecan cream pie. So once you mix this all up, then you're supposed to put it in your refrigerator and leave it in there for about 8 hours, it says. Okay. I'm not going to make a second video. I'm gonna let this be the video, but just know that once you get it all stirred like this and you put it in, then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it get, just let it get all, what do we call that? Thickened up, cooled off. So, hey Mr. Darryl, I'm making a video. Come on in, I'm trying to make that pecan cream pie. You know, never made it, but I think it's gonna be great. All right, so once you do this, then we're just gonna put it in like this into our pie shell. Smooth it all around. Okay. And I'm going to taste this because I know it's going to be so good. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. All right. So then you take your pecans and when you get ready to serve it, this is what you would do. Oh my goodness. Okay, I might need your help, Darryl. Hurry, quick, come to my rescue. I cannot get this top off. Can you get that thing off? Okay. Oh. Oh. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for your guest appearance. Okay, so I think we would garnish the top like this. All right, just put some pecans on the top. And then You can go around the edges like this when you serve it. I don't have the strength to do this. Oh, apparently I do. Y'all, this is funny. Like I said, I'm not Martha Stewart. Okay. What do you guys think? Oh, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Delish. Okay, everyone. I know it's going to be so good because I tasted that filling and it was amazing. So I am going to put this in the refrigerator, but I'm just going to tell you guys, thanks so much for joining me. Thank you for tuning in today and just seeing how this yummy cream pie is made. I think it is going to be so delicious. And I just want to tell you, thank you again for watching. I appreciate you guys. Always remember that you can do hard things, and I will see you next time. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and be sure and press the bell. Push that thing because it will then give you a notification every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 o'clock.